Hello and welcome back to our channel Latest Job. If you're first time on this channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like our videos. So in today's videos we are discussing about one of the important update from the Axis Bank. So this is something which is going to be a very interesting video. So if you are looking for a job, this video is going to be very important for you. So please watch this video up till end. So let's get started. So if I talk about the job name, the name of the profile is something which is a business development executive. So if I start with the job responsibility part, so this is something which is mentioned over here, like officer sales are a part of the bank frontline sales force whose primary responsibility is to get new customers for the bank and explore new business opportunities. So you have to work for the development of the banks. You have to come up with a new customer for the banks. Talking about more point, like they mentioned over here, they are responsible for selling banking and investment products and the services to the customers based on their needs. So to be very honest, this job is going to be for a sales department. So this is for a salesperson. So you have to promote their products, promote their policies. There are something which is mentioned over here, like if I talk about more, so they mentioned over here they are responsible for handling customer queries to ensure customer satisfaction. So this is come under the customer service. You can say this is something which is you have to work on multi-purpose. Talking about more point, like manage business relationship with existing customer to increase the depth of the existing relationship. It totally means that you have to work for the development of the bank. So there are some other responsibilities which are on your screen. You can pause this video, you can have a look for this. Now if I talk about some set of skills which a company asking to have, so if I talk about skills to mention over here, good communication, that is both verbal and written skill in both English and the local language. So this is something which I always say in my previous videos, if you watch my videos carefully. So this is the point which I always highlighted, that if your communication skill is not good, so please improve it, because this is a point which companies are demanding in their candidate going to be higher. Now if I talk about more point, like excellent lead generation and conservation skill, that you have good skills to generate a lead. Talking about more, like they mention over here, ability to handle pressure and meet deadlines. So as I told you, this is something which is going to be a sales job role. So you must have to think before joining that there will be some pressure, there will be some target you need to be achieved. So if you belongs to sales department or you want to work in the sales, this job opportunity is very good for you. Now talking about eligibility criteria, that what will be the eligibility to apply for this job role. So if you check on the company side, that is Axis Bank sides, so they mentioned where that is a graduation. So this is a graduation is something which is common. Every company wants a graduate person. So if you are graduate, that's more than good enough. If I talk about more eligibility criteria, they mention over here, ability to work successfully a part of the team, high sales oriented to meet the sales target consecutively. So I have clear about the responsibility part of this job, about the qualifications required for this job role. Now the question arrived over here, that for which location basically they are hiring for. So if I talk about location part, so they mention over here that is a pan India. So this is something which is not for one location, it's multiple location. You have a list in front of you. You can visit to the official site of the Axis Bank. So there's a list. This is something which is a career site. You can check your location, or you can type over here. You can using the filter, you can search your location. So now I have covered about the location part as well, that this is for going to a pan India, or so you can apply from anywhere. Talking about most important point, that what will be the salary for this job role. So this is going to be a sales job, and you know there are a lot of variable in sales job. So as per they mention over here about the salary, they mention over here 15,000 to 25,000 per month salary. So you will be getting a good handsome salary for this job role. So I have covered about the salary part as well. Now the most important question arrived over here, that how we can apply for this job. So to apply for this job, there are the two ways. First way, you can go through with the Able Jobs. This is something which is a third party app. It is in the description of the video. You can go through with it. There are some details available over here. Apart from this, you can directly visit to the official site of Axis Bank. So this is something which is in front of you. This is a career page of Axis Bank. Bank. There are some openings in front of you. So if you click any of the location, or you can search any of location from here. So if you click to any of the location, there will be a apply now button, so you can apply over here. So this is how you can apply for this job role. If you want to work with the sales department in future, or you are from sales department, you can apply for this job role. I must say that you have to apply. This is a very good opportunity for you. So I believe I have covered each and everything about this job role. Is anything else left behind it? You can ask me in the comment section, or can text me on Instagram. I will shortly reply to you. So that's all for this video. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up on the video. So that's all. Thank you.